Dear students, today I am going to teach you the direct and indirect speech. So what is the direct speech and what is the indirect speech? Let's first know about it. Direct speech, there are the exact words of the speaker. जो भी speaker के words हैं, these are the exact words and they is said to be direct speech. In the indirect speech, there is the substance of speech or the words what the speaker said. There are no exact words. Now see the example. He said, I am hungry. In this sentence, these are the exact words I am hungry said by he. And see the second sentence. He said that he was hungry. This is said to be in the indirect speech because these words are told or spoken by some other person. So in the direct speech, there is a reported speech which is enclosed in the inverted commas, and after said we use a comma. Here in this sentence, said is the reporting verb and he is the subject of reporting verb. Now in the reported speech, I is the subject of reported speech, am is the verb of reported speech and hungry is the object of reported speech. Now to change from direct to indirect speech, we have to change three things. हमें तीन काम करने होते हैं. Number one, comma and inverted commas are replaced by that. हम कोमा को हटा करके और इन्वर्टेड कोमास को हटा करके उसके प्लेस पर दैट लिखते हैं. Second, the tense or verb of the reported speech changes. And the third one, subject and objects or we can say them pronouns of reported speech also change. ये तीन काम हमें करने होते हैं. जैसे कि हमने एग्जाम्पल में देखा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने कोमा इन्वर्टेड कोमा हटा करके हमने दैट का यूज़ किया है. आई के प्लेस पर हमने ही लगाया है, एम के प्लेस पर वॉज लगाया है. तो ये तीन चेंजेस हमें करने होते हैं. वी हैव टू मेक दीज थ्री चेंजेस टू कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. नाउ देयर आर three rules to change from direct speech to indirect speech. So our rule number one is if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, there will be no change in the verb of reported speech. कि अगर हमारी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर में है तब हम इसमें टेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं करेंगे. नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल. शी सेज द अर्थ इज राउंड. तो हमने यहाँ चेंज नहीं किया है. वी हैव रिटन शी सेज दैट द अर्थ इज राउंड. हमने इसको चेंज नहीं किया बिकॉज आर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज सेज विच इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. Now see the second example. He will say, I shall go. It is in future tense and the reporting verb is also in future tense. So we have written, he will say that he will go. हमने यहाँ shall का will इसलिए किया है because for I and we use shall and for he, she, they, you, it we use will. But we have not changed the verb. Now see rule number 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the verb of the reported speech changes according to the following table. अगर हमारी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में है तब हमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस इस टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग करने होते हैं. Now see the rules for them. Simple present tense will be changed into simple past tense. Is RM will be changed into was or were. If we have used first form with s or es, it will be converted into the second form. Do not, does not and first form will be changed into did not and first form. Present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. Is RM first form of verb with ing will be transformed into was, were and first form with ing. Present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect. Instead of using has or have, we have to use had and the third form will remain the same. In present perfect continuous tense, it will change into past perfect continuous tense. Again, in place of has or have, we will use had and been and first form will remain the same. Simple past tense will change into past perfect tense, means second form will be converted into had and third form, and if there is negative sentence or we have used did not with first form, then we will use had not and then third form. Past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. Was, were and first form with ing is used in the past continuous tense. It will be changed into had, been and then first form of verb with ing. In the simple future tense, we use will or shall with the first form. It will be changed into would and the first form will remain the same. Can will be changed into could, may is changed into might and must is changed into had. Now see rule number 3. If the reported speech is a universal truth or a habitual action, then the tense of reported speech remains the same. It remains unchanged. अगर हमारी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कोई यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है, हैबिचुअल एक्शन है या कोई फैक्ट है, तब हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को चेंज नहीं करेंगे. नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल. द टीचर सैड द अर्थ इज राउंड. So we have used the teacher said that the earth is round. We have not made any change in the sentence the earth is round because this is a universal truth. Now see the changes of pronouns which are used as subject and object. Some pronouns are used as the subject, some are used as the objects and some are used as the possessive pronouns. So there are 3 kinds of pronouns: first person, second person and third person pronouns. I and we are the first person pronouns, you is the second person, he, she, they, it are the third person pronouns. The subject is I, object is me, subject is we, its object is us. You, then he, him, she, her, they, them, it. These all are the subjects and these are the objects. Now there are some possessives. For I, we write my or mine. For we write our and ours. For you, we write your and yours. For he, we write his. For she, we write her and hers. For they, it is their and theirs. And for it, we use its. So now there are 3 rules to change the pronouns. See the first one, rule number 1. The first person pronouns change according to the subject of the reporting verb. यानी कि जितने भी first person pronouns होते हैं वो सब reporting verb के subject के according change होते हैं. Our reporting verb is said and this pronoun we is the first person pronoun. It will change according to the subject of reporting verb, that is the students. तो students के लिए हम यहाँ पर we के place पर they लिखेंगे. Now see the example. The student said we will plant 1,000 saplings next year. So we can write the students said that they, we के place पर we is the plural and for plural we use they. So they will का हो जाएगा would. They would plant 1,000 saplings next year. Now see the second example. I saw you at the museum yesterday, the teacher said. Now I is the first person pronoun and it will change according to the teacher because the teacher is the subject of reporting verb. So we will write the teacher said that he or she, because for the teacher we can write either he or she. Saw is the second form. It is the simple past tense. It will be changed into past perfect tense. Means we will write had and third form. This is seen. Me, you हम change करेंगे me में. At the museum the previous day. Yesterday means the previous day. Yesterday को हम the previous day में change कर देते हैं. Now see rule number 2. सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. जो हमारे सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस हैं वो ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाते हैं. एंड सेड टू इज changed into told. Now see the example. The professor said to Rahul, "You are one of my best students." The professor is the subject, said is the reporting verb, and Rahul is the object. So said to will be changed into told. And according to Rahul means you will be changed according to Rahul. And for Rahul we will use he. So we will write, the professor told Rahul that he was one of my is first person pronoun. It will change according to the professor. So we will write his best students. We will write, the professor told Rahul that he was one of his best students. Now see rule number 3. Third person pronouns and names they do not change. जो हमारे थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस है या कोई नेम्स होते हैं उनमें कोई चेंज नहीं होता. There are some other changes also, like now will be changed into than, ago in before, today का that day हो जाता है, tonight का that night हो जाता है. Yesterday is changed into the previous day or the day before. Last year is changed into the previous year. Tomorrow is changed into the following day or the day after. Here is changed into there, this is changed into that, and these is changed into those.